How you like this hairstyle? Let's try something different. I think I look kind of cute. I don't know. What do you think? Hello friends, it's Jakara here again with another video. This time I'm doing a beauty video. As you can see, my face is made up. It's been a while since I've had a full face of makeup on camera. But today I do, and I'm feeling a little animalistic today with my cheetah print and everything. So today we're talking about 6 of my most favorite lipsticks for fall. I tend to like to go, of course, more vampy, darker in the fall time, and there's 6 lipsticks that I kind of reach for most often in the fall and autumn. So I'm gonna get stuck into it right away, and here we go. So the first one, let's see, I have 2 drugstore, 2 kind of department store, and then 2 kind of makeup line lipsticks. So I'm gonna let's start with MAC. And that's the makeup store I'm talking about. So I frequented MAC quite a lot in the past, and I think I have altogether maybe like 20 different MAC lipsticks, and I love their formula. I love the smell of them. They're just really good quality. I tend to go for like a satin or a matte finish, cream finish sometimes, but yeah, I love MAC. And the first lipstick I want to try today is pretty dark. It's pretty dark. It's called Sin, but on me it looks quite pretty. This is what it looks like. Sorry if I'm looking in the viewfinder a lot, you guys. I just want to make sure I'm on camera, everything is focusing well. So this is Sin. It's a perfect kind of burgundy color for the fall. I'm gonna pop on some lip liner, and then I will put that on. So give me a second. I'm gonna put on, I like to put Sin on with Night Moth lip liner from MAC, and I'm just gonna line my lips with this, and then I'll put that on. Okay, so here we go. Excuse me for looking in my my vanity mirror. So I'm gonna leave it just the outline of it. So it's kind of like, this is kind of a dark burgundy liner, if you can see. It goes with a lot of vampy colors. So I'm gonna try the Sin on top of it. And yeah, if that doesn't look vampy to you, I don't know what to tell you. This is nice and creamy. Like I said, the formula is really, really good. It's very smooth, and it blends really well in with the Night Moth lip liner. This is, I believe, kind of a satin finish. Not quite glossy, not quite matte, kind of in between somewhere. So yeah, that's the first one. That's Sin from MAC. Alright, now the second lipstick that I have from MAC is a really, really vampy color. Now, this color I only use if I'm really going for a very dramatic look. I have used it a little bit. I mean, it's definitely been used. As you can see, it's this like deep purple color. And this one is called Cyber. It's pretty famous, along with Sin. They're both pretty famous lipsticks from MAC, these colors. I know this isn't for everybody. I know that. And that's okay. I still love it. I love the drama of it. And I'm going to go ahead and line my lips again with Night Moth. And that should blend in pretty good. This is actually a lipstick that's really close to the color of Night Moth. So now, not everybody likes the Vampy lip. I like drama, so I mean, I like drama in my makeup, let's say it that way. Not in my life, but in my makeup. So I don't mind a dark lip. In fact, I have a black lipstick from Kat Von D that I really like to wear with some other, I use it in combo with some other stuff. But okay, so this is Cyber, and this is what it looks like on me. Okay, so this is what Cyber looks like on me. I think it looks really good, if I don't say so myself. I love it. It is, like I said, a really vampy dark lip, but I can pull it off because of my skin tone and my personality, and I just think it's great. I mean, would I wear this every day in the fall or autumn? No, I would not. But, you know, if I'm going out to the club or, you know, have something really sexy on and sexy outfit on, then I might put this on. And I think it's a really good, fun color for the autumn or for the fall. Okay, my next set of lipsticks that I like to wear in the fall are a little lighter in color, and they are drugstore lipsticks. The first one I have is from Milani, and it's Milani. It looks like this. It's number 22, Chilled Brandy. So this is more on the warmer side of things. I'm going to, even though this is kind of a burgundy color, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with chestnut. And I'm just lining my lips because I like, it keeps it from bleeding out. I think it's always important to put a lip liner on before you put your lipstick on. Whether you fill your entire lip in or you just go around the perimeter of your lip, I think it really helps to make your lipstick last longer. So I'm going to start that. That's got my lips all lined. I'm going to go in with Chilled Brandy. The lipsticks, these Milani lipsticks are so good. They smell so nice. Make you want to eat them. Alright, I got a little lipstick on my teeth. Anyway, so that is what Chilled Brandy looks like. It's got a little shimmer to it. Not too glittery. It, you know, if I wanted to make it pop a little bit more, I might put a little gloss over it. But basically, if you can see, this is what it looks like. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so I already lined my lips and I actually filled in my lips, added a little chapsticks because my lips were getting a little dry. This is just the chestnut lip liner that I just filled in my lips with. And the reason I did that is I wanted a good base for the next color that I'm going to put down. This is a little bit more shimmery than the last one. I like this color. It's also from Milani. That upside down. Milani. And this is number 44, Cinnamon Spice. So I think it goes really well with my hair color right now and what I got on. So let's see how this goes. Alright. See, it's a little bit more shimmery, which is why I wanted to put down the fill in my lips with the chestnut. But it totally works. It totally works. So anyway, so this is number 44 Cinnamon Spice. So Cinnamon Spice from Milani. Alright. Okay, you guys, as you can see again, I've already lined my lips again, this time with the Night Moth. Now, the two most frequently used lip liners, obviously, that I use during the fall and winter are Night Moth and Chestnut from MAC. In fact, I don't think I use any other lip liners from any other brand except for maybe, Jordana, the drugstore one that's like $2. Those are really good lip liners. You need to check those out too. So, but other than those, I use MAC lip liners, and these are the two that I use mostly. Alright, so I've already lined my lips with Night Moth. And the next set of lipsticks are going to be liquid lipsticks. I did put a little bit more chapstick down because they make my lips so dry. I like the way they look, and they do stay on all day, but I have to put something on underneath. So I always put a lip gloss or a lip chapstick or something like that. Today I used the Nivea lip balm and strawberry. I use this one all the time. I like the way it smells. I'm into smells. And this, anyway, getting to the lipstick, it's Anastasia Beverly Hills. It looks like this. It's really pretty. This is in the color Sad Girl. Sad Girl. But it makes me happy. Anyway, this is what Sad Girl looks like on me. I just apply it to the middle. That's great coverage, great coverage. And it blends really well with the Night Moth. Okay. I think I got it all. A little overzealous on this side. Just wipe that off. Go back in. Alright. And then once I get it on, I just come close my lips together just to make sure I help it dry. It helps it dry faster, in my opinion, when I go like this. Anyway. So that is Sad Girl from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'll give you a closer look. Let's see, yeah. And because it's a liquid lipstick and it does like make my lips dry, I usually put a lip gloss over it. I'm not going to do it today because I just want you to see what the lipstick looks like. But yeah. I like this color. This is a good cool color for the fall and winter. I'm going to do the warm color or counterpart to this in a second. Okay, so Chestnut is back on my lips. And the last lipstick I'm going to try today, or the ones that I like to wear most in the fall and autumn, is another Anastasia Beverly Hills color. It's a liquid lipstick, and it is in the color Vamp, which pretty much goes with the theme of this video, Vampy lipsticks. So it looks like this when you take it out the tube. So it's a little lighter, which lighter than my skin tone, which is why I put down a little chestnut to try to blend it in a little bit better. So let's see how this looks on. Do that. Do that part. I never forget that part. And it keeps me from getting liquid lipstick on my lips, on my teeth. If I do see that there is lipstick on my teeth, I usually do this trick. I know everybody's seen this trick, but like that, and it just kind of gets off the excess lipstick that's in your lips. So this is a pretty good color, I think, also with the outfit that I have on. And it goes with kind of the theme of fall, very like a burnt orange, dark brown color. This is very drying. I like the Anastasia Beverly Hills pigmentation of their lipsticks, but they are quite drying to me. So I'm going to throw a lip gloss over it and show you how it looks with a lip gloss. Okay, so I put on the color, what is this? Tiramisu from NYX. It's a NYX butter gloss that I use all the time. I love it. It mixes really well with my warmer tones, and even if I don't wear lipsticks, I can just put this on and it gives me a little tint on my lips and a little gloss shine, which is what it's doing right now. So without really taking away from the color of the lipstick. So I love that that lip gloss. I love NYX butter glosses in general. But anyway, that is it, you guys. Those are my 6 favorite Vampy / fall autumn lipstick colors, and I hope I was able to give you a few ideas of things that you could try if you haven't already. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Let me know how you like this video down in the comment section. If there's any questions about anything that I presented today, please feel free to leave it down in the comment sections as well. And I will leave links to all of the products that I used in the video in my description box. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Take care.